drops.
Yeah, usually we train 3 times a day, about, I'd say 2, 3, 4, 4.5 hours a day.
Mhm.
So, and not including the recovery time.
So that's for sure you're going to take a better sleep tonight. Breathe in, breathe out. One more time. One more time. That's a nice one. One more time. This one more time. Sounds good to me. Breathe in, breathe out.
Ooh,
The big one.